Hi everyone, thanks for watching. I'm Lauren, and in this video I want to introduce you to one of our new Guthrie and Ganny Sewing Society kits that we have released this month in November 2022. If you're new to our Sewing Society kits, then I'll pop a link to an introductory video that explains all about them in the description to this one, but the headline is that every month we release two brand new sewing kits that include everything you need to make a really gorgeous handmade garment for yourself. Not only do you get all of the fabric, the notion, the needles, the pattern, the PDF files, all the bits and bobs that you need to make the project, you also get an added bonus video that I share all of my personal top hints and tips for getting a really lovely finish in your garment. So if you're trying out a new challenge or a different type of garment, a different type of fabric from what you've sewn before, the kits are really good because it just gives you a bit of an extra helping hand to learn new skills and get a really lovely finish on your project. So we always feature a popular independent sewing pattern company, and in this video and in the kit I'm going to share with you, it is all about the True by Zoey tank top. Now, if you haven't come across this pattern before, it's actually a pattern for a top and a dress, but the kit focuses on making a really amazing wardrobe essential vest top version of it. So in the winter time, I always feel cold. I absolutely love layering up, and wearing a really nice, comforting, cozy vest underneath all of my other handmade clothes helps me to wear some of my maybe more transitional or summery makes for longer. This shirt, for example, is made out of quite a lightweight viscose fabric, but because I've got a cozy vest top on underneath, then it means that I can still wear it at this time of year. So it's great for layering up. You can wear it at night, you can wear it in the day, and one of the great things about the Zoey pattern is that there is also an expansion pack that gives you lots of other different necklines. So also included in the kit, as well as the paper printout of the pattern, we have got you the file and the paper printout on big A0 sheets of all of the different neckline options. So the pattern as standard comes with a V neckline, which I think is really lovely, it's really flattering, but in that expansion pack you've also got a high neckline, you've got a scoop neckline which is similar height to the V neck, except it's a scoop shape rather than a V, so if you like that softer shape. And then you've also got a square neck version which is just a little bit lower and wider, so it means that no matter what type of top or garment you're wearing over it, you can still layer that vest top underneath and it will be totally hidden and keep you really comfy and cozy and make you feel good. One of the things I love the most about this kit is the fabric that we have picked to go in it. So we have got three absolutely classic shades of the designer Meet Milk Tencel ribbed jersey. This is the Derby jersey, it's called, and Meet Milk is like a designer range of fabrics, and it is 95% tencel and 5% elastane. So it's really lovely and stretchy. It's got a gorgeous ribbed texture to it, and it just feels so lovely and soft. Tencel is a more sustainable fabric. It's manufactured in a closed loop process, so it means that all the waste materials from it are recovered and put back into the cycle of producing the fabric. So it's got good eco credentials as well, and it just feels so luxurious and soft. Like this next to your skin, honestly, it just feels absolutely amazing. Now, one thing that I do like to do in the kits as well is give you extra skills and lots of tips that you can use not only in this project but also in other projects as well. So the two extra things that I would say, even if you've been sewing with jersey before, that are new in this project, is we've given you a reel of Mariflex thread. This is a fairly newish thread from Gutermann, and it is stretchy, so it means that you can use it in your sewing machine in the top and the bobbin thread. You can sew with a regular straight stitch, but the thread itself stretches, which is great. It makes it so much easier to sew your projects together, and you know that your seams aren't going to pop open because the thread can stretch with them. So this thread is a little bit more expensive than regular thread. Regular thread is now $2.15 for the Gutermann Sew All thread, but the Mariflex is $3.55 $65, but it is just included as part of the kit anyway. But the good thing about the Mariflex is that it comes on a 150-meter reel, so really you could get a couple of projects out of that. It does last that little bit longer. The other thing we've included in the kit as well is something called Stretch Fix, and this works a little bit like Bond a Web if you've used it before, but it is specifically for stretch fabrics, and it is a really good way to apply the neck band and the straps in this garment in a really clean, slick way. You can keep the fabric under control, and it helps you to get a really lovely finish. So in the tips video that comes with the kit, you get all of the details of how to use that Stretch Fix product as well. Now, in terms of the sizing for this kit, the Zoey pattern itself from True Bias comes in a size range that is split into two different cup sizes. So you've got a B size cup range, which is sizes US 0 to 18, and that corresponds to a bust measurement of 32 inches to 44 inches and a waist measurement of 26 to 38 inches. And then it's got a D cup range as well, and that covers US sizes 14 up to 32, and that is a bust size of 41 inches to 50 inches and a waist size of 34 to 52 inches. So we've got two versions of the kit that have differing amount of fabrics. One option includes a meter of fabric, and that will give you enough to make up to the size 24 in either the B or the D cup. And then we have got another option that includes 1.3 meters of fabric, and that is enough to make up to the US size 32. So when you're ordering your kit online, you'll see a little drop down for what PDF printout you would like to have in your kit, but you do get all of the files included in your order confirmation email anyway. So if you did want to get the other size range printed out at another time, you've got access to those files too. In terms of the pricing, the size range that covers US 0 up to US 24 is £48.50, and then for size ranges from 26 to 32, so that's got the 1.3 meters of fabric, it is £54. Now, I know on the face of it, it can look like quite a lot for a vest top. I totally get that as well, but it's really important to me that when I do price all of the kits, I combine the price of what all of the components would cost if you bought them on your own, and I try to get the price as low as I can so that you know you're getting a really special offer when you buy the kit. And obviously you get that added bonus extra of the top tips video from me as well, which you can purchase separately if you want, if you've already got the pattern or you've got another fabric in mind. The pattern is quite hefty with this one because it is for a top and a dress. So as well as getting the pattern pieces for that top, you do have all of the pattern pieces printed out on that large A0 scale paper for the dress too, and it can be such a versatile garment that you can make during the winter and layer up, or you can make it in the summer as well and then just wear it as a really lovely summer top or a summer dress too. So I hope you have enjoyed seeing all of the versions of the kit. They do get released to our newsletter subscribers first on the first Wednesday of every month. We make a limited number of the kits, and once they are gone, they are gone. So if you do want first access to the new release of kits that come out every month, it's 2 brand new patterns, then do make sure you sign up to my newsletter. I'll put the link for that in the description to this video as well. I'll also put the link to the kits in the description to the video as well, so it's all available to buy online. We do ship worldwide. You can check out our international shipping terms on the website as well. If you've got any questions, feel free to leave me a comment, give me a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to my channel already, just remember to hit subscribe so you don't miss out on my next video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye!